Welcome back to Excel for Business People. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you 4 Excel basic functions every business owner must know. But before that, please click on the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed. Thank you for subscribing. So to continue, these are the 4 Excel basic functions I'm going to talk about. We are going to talk about the sum function, the average function, the minimum and the maximum function, and then the if function. These 4 functions will help you analyze your expenses, your cost, your profits, or your loss. Okay, so let's dive in. Let's say we want to put some remarks here. So we have a remark column here. So on this column, we want to know which one had the low sales and then which one gave us the good day. Okay, so for us to be able to do this, we are going to use the if function. So we will first type the equal to and then bring our if. Okay, then open the parenthesis. So we will say, we want to say that if the profit was below 15, it was a bad day or it was a low sale. So I will say this. So if it is less than 15, let me use less than 15. Okay, so this means this specific cell, if this specific cell or if values in this specific cell is less than 15, then it means we had low sales. We had low sales. Okay, else we had a good day. Okay, so this is the logic. It is checking if the value in this cell is less than 15. So if it is less than 15, it should bring this. If it is greater than or equal to 15, then it means we had a good day. So let me press on enter, and now let me double click here. So you can see we have low sales, good day, low sales, good day, low sales. So by using the if function, you can easily analyze according to a specific benchmark you set for yourself. Okay, now we want to find for the maximum total profit. So the maximum total profit that we had. So you type your equal to, and then you type max, and then open the parenthesis. You select this range. So we want to find for the maximum profit we made. So we need to select this range of cells for us to be able to have it. Then I'll press on the enter key. Now it says the maximum profit we had was 32 cedis. And then the minimum profit, you type our equal to, then I'll type min, then I'll open the parenthesis. I'll select this range of cells again, and I'll close it. Now we have the minimum profit to be 9 cedis. And then what is the average of the total profit we had? Now I'll type equal to, and then I'll type average. Okay, average. And then I'll open the parenthesis, select this range of cells again, then I'll close it and enter. Boom, we have 14.428571 as the average profit we had. Now, with the sum function, we already know how to use the sum function. You just type our equal to and then bring our sum. And then you select the range of cells that we want to use. And then we'll press on enter key. So that will give us the sum of the values that we want. I believe this is very helpful. Thank you for watching this video. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please hit on the subscribe button. And then if you like this video, give us a thumbs up by hitting on the like button. And all your comments are welcome. Thank you.